In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to correctly create a Zoho Mail account. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your own email set up and ready to use, and you'll understand each step clearly so you avoid common mistakes. Let's start from the very beginning. First, open your web browser and search for Create Zoho Mail Account. In the search results, look for the official Zoho Mail link that says something like, "Sign up. Create an email account in 5 minutes." Make sure you're clicking the official Zoho website so you're on a secure, trusted page. Once you find that result, click it to open the Zoho Mail sign-up page. On the sign-up page, you'll see a form where you need to fill in your details. Take a moment here and don't rush, because the information you enter will be used to access and recover your account later. Start by choosing your email address or username. This will be the part that appears before the @ symbol. Pick something professional and easy to remember, especially if you plan to use this email for work or applications. If your first choice is taken, try adding a simple number or a slight variation rather than using random characters. Next, create a strong password. Aim for a combination of upper and lower case letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using obvious details like your name or birth date. Remember, this email might be connected to other important accounts in the future, so security really matters. You may also be asked to provide some personal information, such as your name and possibly a phone number, or an alternative email for recovery. Enter accurate information here. This makes it much easier to reset your password or verify your identity if you ever get locked out. Once you've carefully filled in all the required fields, review everything one more time to make sure there are no typos in your email address or recovery details. When you're happy with the information, look for the button that says Sign Up for Free. Click on Sign Up for Free, and Zoho will guide you through any remaining steps, which may include verification by email or phone. Just follow the on-screen instructions to complete that process, and your Zoho Mail account will be created. That's all you need to correctly create a Zoho Mail account from